yelling.
You only told us about 20 times. And we're gonna have a huge party. Amanda and Diana are coming. Cake? Check. Snacks? Check. Decorations? Check. We are ready. They're here!
There's the witch of the hour.
Yes. Happy birthday. Wait, did you steal those from the kitchen? It's plead the 5th, right, Amanda?
Yes.
Then I plead the 5th. Hey, let's focus on the party, why don't we? Right!
All right, let's turn the tunes up.
It's a shame Constance and Jasmika couldn't come.
Yeah, but they had an Upcalu the Merman convention they wanted to go to.
I wish I was there. You can go to the next one. As my roommate and one of my best friends, you are obligated to be here with me. Yeah. So how's the party, Diana? Is it as good as your hoity-toity shindigs? I don't normally attend parties. They are a waste of time. But you came here at least. The food is tasty at least. I know, right? The fairies are really good at what they do. So you did steal them. I ain't saying anything. Hey, look! Presents! Right! Okay, this one's from Amanda. Wow! It's the replica of Shooting Star!
Constance and I worked together to make another one, since you left the original replica in the Harlowium chamber.
Thank you so much! I will practice it every day. Okay, next one is from Susie. A potion? It's a beauty potion. I figured you could use it when you see Andrew again. Shut up! I don't even like him like that. Still, I wouldn't mind looking prettier. Okay, this one is from Lotte. Nightfall? This is the first volume of Nightfall. I thought you'd like to read it. Aw, thank you, Lotte! And finally, from Diana. What is it, Akko? It's a poster signed by Shiny Chariot. Yes, it was part of my own collection. This is the best gift anyone could have ever given me. Even more than the card I gave you last year. Second best, then. You know she could get Chariot's signature whenever she wanted, right? Thank you, Diana. Do you need to borrow my handkerchief? You've got something on your face. Nope! Let's party some more.